Welcome to Arcivate's tips and tricks for invoice processing. Today, we're inside My Invoices with a supplier invoice, and the invoice has been received, but there's no purchase order present. We're running no PO, no pay. We may wish to contact the supplier and ask them where the purchase order number is. We can do that simply here by querying the supplier button, going through to Dell, and here the email is generated with the primary email address held for that supplier. We can change it if we wish, and we also have all the invoice field information on the email, along with a secure tokenizer link to allow the supplier to view the invoice image and give us back the purchase order number we require. Let's send them that email and ask them to give us the information we request. And then let's tell them our system sent to supplier. And it's as simple as that. Join us again for more tips and tricks from Arcivate.